solid examination of the topic told mostly via the stories of those involved. To be a bit more precise, if the topic at hand is the rise and fall of the death penalty throughout the United States generally, this book doesn't fare as well. While it does make various attempts to show national issues and trends in capital punishment, the subtitle here really should more accurately be The Rise and Fall of the Death Penalty in Texas, emphasis mine, which is 100% accurate as to what you're getting into with this book. Chammah does a solid job of using his case studies and biographies to show the different people involved in the various cases and how they came to be in the moments they found themselves. And while the stories can get a bit too muddled and choppy at times when a lot is going on at once, it really isn't any different than a multi-pov fiction novel only sporadically popping in with certain characters' perspectives, which is a storytelling strategy I've seen more than once. And thus this really wasn't a problem for me, but could absolutely be an issue for some readers. He does a similarly solid job of showing the various cases and people that played into the rise of capital punishment in Texas and the broader national trends that were occurring at the same time. And the same with the fall, showing the various people and cases that were leading that effort in Texas and how broader national trends also came to bear there as well. Overall though, this is a reasonably well-researched book, clocking in at about 17% documentation, per a Twitter conversation I had with the author, as I read the Audible version of the book and had no easy access to a Kindle or print copy of the text for purposes of this review. My local library system here in Jacksonville, Florida did in fact have print copies available even at the branch barely a mile away from my apartment, but I was working on this review before I could get there and it did not have ebook copies available, unfortunately. Far from the best documented I've ever seen, as I've read a few books approaching or seemingly even over 50% documentation, but also within the more relaxed 15% or so standard I've been trying to adopt these last few years. For those interested in capital punishment and related issues, this is going to be a book you should absolutely check out. Even for more general audiences, this really is a solid look at this particular topic, and you're going to learn some things from reading it. Even I did, and I'm at least somewhat well versed in the topic already due to prior reading and activism. Very much recommended.